Well, sometimes you might be $1 late, a day short of $1 late. I was about to show you 3 smoking hot deals on white trucks, but that one's going out of the lot to be shown to a customer right now. That's a white Toyota Tundra, and it's 4-wheel drive. Checked out fantastically in our service department when it got traded in. I'll tell you more about that if it's available, if it doesn't get gone this morning. Then I have an amazingly clean Nissan Frontier 2013 at 82,000 miles. I think I've talked about that on a previous video, just doing a short lot walk for you here this morning. 4-wheel drive, SV, 4x4, 20,980. I got a white Silverado quad cab right here, certified select, been through the shop. You'll need to reach out to me for pricing on that one. 865-679-8173. I've got a 2020 Nissan Murano, less than 40,000 miles on it here. 26.9, amazingly clean vehicle. 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty on it. Still has some of the factory warranty on it. I believe it's actually 33,000 miles on it. Just made a quick walk around video of this new 2024 black Nissan Z-Car with a manual transmission in it, the performance model. Reach out to me for pricing on that Z-Car. It just rolled off the truck. This Nissan Pathfinder just became available. It's a 23, 40,000 miles, 30,980, 4-wheel drive. Got a 23 Altima here, 5,000 miles, 29.9. It's the SV. Beautiful car. Actually, newsflash, that was discounted to $24,900. Nice to save $5K. And don't forget, that's got the 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty and the remainder of the 3-year 36. And that 3-year 36, of course, is bumper to bumper warranty. Let's look at a few more. 23 Chevy Equinox, 28.9. 2019 Lexus, 37.9. Wow, I like that white color. Got the 23 Dodge Charger, the 392 Hemi, and the Scat Pack on it. Reach out to me at 865-679-8173 for pricing on that. 2022 Chevy Trailblazer, 23.9. Got a 23 Nissan Kicks SV, 24.9, low miles. All my Subaru friends, I've got a 22 Subaru WRX, 27.9. Black beauty it is. Beautiful silver Nissan Sentra. Give me a call for pricing on that one. This is one of my favorites. 2020 Nissan Altima with a surprise in the truck, about 2,000 watts. 21.9, clean Carfax, drives that amazing. Got another 23 Nissan Altima here in gunmetal, 24.9. One of the most popular colors Nissan has, gun metallic. Got a 23 Nissan Altima SR, beautiful looking car. It's only 26.9. Got a 23 Nissan Sentra in that beautiful blue, only 17,000 miles, 23.9. Look at the interior. I told you it was beautiful. I've got a very hard to get 22 Nissan Maxima, 32.9. That's one fast black limousine. I just drove this one yesterday. It's a 23 Nissan Maxima Platinum. Got about 7,000 miles, 41.9. It's a wonderful car. That interior is to die for. I've got an all-electric 2020 Nissan Leaf with 11,000 miles for $20,980. Faster than my police car, the officer told me when I sold him one. Got a beautiful 2021 Nissan Kicks SR, $24,900. 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty, and beautiful two-tone. I have a beautiful 23 Nissan Rogue, $29,980, only 5,000 miles. Black is so shiny, you can see the airplane overhead if you look carefully in the reflection. I've got a beautiful 23 Nissan Armada SL, which is the luxury trim level, 17,000 miles, only $49,900. You save tens of thousands of dollars on that. Call me for pricing on this Nissan Pathfinder Platinum 4-wheel drive. That beautiful Boulder Gray. These are one of my absolute favorite cars, as well as the Armada. I've got a 2021 Nissan Murano Platinum, $29,900. Actually, I apologize, that's an SL right next to it. However, I've got a Nissan Murano that is a Platinum. It's in gray. It's a 2023. 17,000 miles at $36,900. Got a 2019 Nissan Rogue SL, $26,900. Beautiful car. I've got a 21 Nissan Rogue in the gun metallic. It's $24,900, 41,000 actual miles. I've got a 6,000 mile 2022 Nissan Frontier Blue, one owner, $33,900. Brand new car there. Just don't have the brand new sticker price. And that SV King cab also has the Revolver Truck Hero cover on the back, power sliding glass on the back, tinted windows, receiver hitch. That is one nice King cab. Quick sneak peek inside. If you could smell it via video, it'd be like brand new. What color is it? Deep blue pearl. 23 Murano SL, 23,000 miles, $34,900. 23 Nissan Rogue SL, $29,900. 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain, and the balance of the bumper-to-bumper warranty on it still left. 23 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, 4-wheel drive SV, 21,000 miles, $35,900. Got the Nissan installed bed liner also. Got a one owner 21 Rogue SV, $26,900. 45,000 original miles, and beautiful inside. I've got a 23 Nissan Rogue, 15,000 original miles, and two-tone, both white and black, and the SL, it's a luxury model. 15,000 miles, $34,900, sunroof and leather. 22 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X, only 15,000 miles, $40,980. It's a great deal on that truck. Over 50 new. Only 18,000 miles on Granny's 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road. Runs, drives amazingly. Of course, it has the trailer hitch on the back. Got the factory Toyota wheels. Incredibly low miles. And in very, very condition. Very nice shape. Only $48,900. This will go quick. 2019 Nissan Murano, $26,900. That's the SL trim level, so you got the luxury options. Only 25,000 miles. Got a 2020 Murano, only 9,000 miles. Got beautiful wheels on it. It's the Platinum all-wheel drive edition, so it doesn't get any better in the Murano line than that. Again, only 9,000 miles and $35,900. I've got a 23 Nissan Pathfinder, 10,000 actual miles, $44,900. And that, of course, is the SL. That trim level has everything a person could imagine, and then some. Leather, sunroof, everything. 23 Nissan Pathfinder, 7,000 miles, 41,980. Gotta love that roof rack. Not only is it the SL edition, but you also have the receiver for towing and your wiring light hookup. And if you love light colored interior, this, my friend, is the vehicle for you and your grandbabies. All right, friends, that's it for today's lot walk here at Twin City Nissan. We, of course, are at 3247 Alcoa Highway, the world famous motor mile. And you can reach me directly, George Thompson, at 865-679-8173. If you want to know a little bit more about what makes Twin City Nissan different and why so many, perhaps of your friends and family, are trusting our dealership and are trusting me specifically to help them find a great car at a good price from someone they can trust that won't lie to them, be sure to watch the video below. And while you're here, of course, help me out. Go ahead and like this video, comment below, let me know which of the cars in this week's lot walk you liked, and if there's any that you would like to know of when we get them in. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps other people find about these vehicles as well. Until we see you in our VIP parking, I'll see you next time.